It's early Saturday morning and Coleman and Pagey are about to be given a bland, boring household appliance. They have 48 hours to try and make it bigger, better, faster and stronger.
Oh yeah. There's nothing worse than a piddling shower.
This is one of the most luxurious showers on the market, but some scientists think that the climate is changing and they are now saying that it is irresponsible to have 20-minute high-powered showers. You have a weekend to create a shower that cleans the body but uses the least amount of water possible. Oh, you must nominate one person from your team to go in the shower for the challenge.
Paige. Good.
Good luck. We're going to come out of the shower now. Can you pass me a towel?
Come out.
Yeah.
Ah, this is a...
Thanks.
Paigey, good luck.
You need it.
This is going to be
fun.
This is going to be a steamy old
Really
challenge.
good fun, I think.
Now Coleman and Pagey have to choose some team members to help them build their showers. Each one of these team members has a specific talent that'll be helpful to the task at hand. Except one, the wild card, whose special talent is not at all helpful. This week there is a steam engineer, a plumber, a handyman, a motor technician and the wild card, a cheerleader.
I choose you.
All right. Shower challenge. Chooses the girl.
All right, then. Show us what's on your T-shirt. Oh, yes.
Cheerleader.
Yes.
I'm in Team New Zealand, which competes over at the Worlds.
I'm going to choose a man with an excess of hair. Let's see what you got. Yeah! Awesome.
I can offer my expertise in how to plumb out a shower and make it a bit more exciting with putting a few jets in.
No, I'm going to go for the gentleman on the end.
Whoa. Steam engineer.
That's good.
I was pretty excited by the whole concept and thought, I can bring a little bit of flavour to it.
And it's just going to be 50-50. I'm going with this man. Let's see what you got. Motor technician. Fantastic. Read that, Pagey and Wee.
Yeah, I like building crazy vehicles like choppers and adapting minis for the wrong purpose of what they were built for.
Oh, well, who do we miss out on? Handyman.
You actually had that kind of handyman look about you, but
Damn it.
I just thought it'd be too obvious. Come meet the shed, guys.
Welcome to Team Coleman.
You can carry the silver scroll of...
The teams now only have the weekend to make a shower that cleans someone while using the least amount of water possible.
You know, even though this is a challenge, I don't want to have one of those showers that just, the trickles out.
I mean, steam would be a wicked idea.
Yeah, it's got to be warm.
But steam doesn't steam like peel your skin off. Like.
Well, the great thing about steam is we're just going to be boiling a jug or something and using very little water. We're distilling it at the same time, so it's pure water, cleaner than a shower, better for your hair, better for your skin. What we're talking here is going to rock.
We could recycle the water,
Yes.
and we're going to have to pump it to get it back to recirculate it,
They're using their own juice.
Yeah.
No, you can't.
Well, it's no worse than a bath, but...
We need something on top to keep the heat in.
I think we've got to take the girls' opinion on the shower because they spend most time in them, so we can rock with
Actually,
that.
I have to confess to you, man, I spend like...
Okay. I did hear.
Hours.
I did hear.
This needs to be the sand filter?
Yes.
Yep.
Doesn't it? And then...
Coleman wants to have a high-pressure shower with heaps of water, but is going to recycle any water used. His shower will be raised with the wastewater running down through a sand filter, cleaning the water as it passes back into a hot water cylinder. The water will be taken from this cylinder via a water blaster, pumping it back up through the shower head and the jets.
To make steam, we've got to boil water. It'll be 100 degrees, but when we mix it with the cold air or the air in the room, a bit of moisture, we'll be hard-pressed to get 40 or 50.
Well, why don't we use hair dryers that have a temperature on them so we can control the temperature?
Pagey's team will essentially be creating a steam cloud. Using a sealed shower, they will introduce a fine mist through atomising nozzles. At the same time, hair dryers will pump in hot air, warming the shower but cooling the mist, creating condensation and using a minuscule amount of water.
So I just got a shopping list.
The teams write up their shopping lists of all the things they need to get.
Yeah.
Shampoo.
Not for you.
Coleman's team is out first, and he sends Rob out to get all of the equipment.
See you, mate.
Bede is not far off.
Good. Go safe. Yeah, where do you go?
Leaving both teams with nothing to do but sit in their sheds.
Let's all save water. and shower like you order. Paige's team's got the steam, and...
To get out there and slaughter James Coleman in his face with some mace.
Oh, God.
Like that.
Yeah, no, that's a bit too intense. Normal speed, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2.
It'll be the cheerleader.
1. Oh, well done.
I did an extra move.
Oh.
That's quite good.
The first ute is back, and the teams are keen to see who it is.
Ah, awesome.
It's Rob from Coleman's team, but Pagey doesn't seem to mind. He's happy to keep on cheering.
Did well. It's a bit the sand.
Why don't we try something tricky? I want you to hit...
No, that was, yeah, okay, tricky.
Greg as a cheerleader would be kind of good. He's really enthusiastic.
I'm trying to smile with my eyes. It's really hard, my teeth are drying out.
Good stuff, Rob. Well done.
Got everything, mate.
Push it out. Can we do it again? Do it again.
Ready?
Do it again.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Half an hour later, and Bede is back.
Wait, whoa. Oh, hang on. Walk. Mate! Man, could you
Pagey is anxious and begins biffing stuff towards the shed.
fling it over there?
Coleman isn't far ahead. They've just begun to stack and measure to see how high their shower will be off the ground.
1,600 off the ground.
Wow.
What have I got in this ladder?
These are heavy and man-sized. Great, I'll take these.
Yeah. There's our shower, right there. It's perfect.
Let's
Move this one around so...
yeah, we're gonna put the desks back, kind of.
Why they were moved around? What have you been doing?
Oh, nothing. We're just sweeping.
Yeah, nothing much.
What's this for?
I don't know. That
It could be. I guess it's.
Once Pagey has everything in, they get straight to work on making the box that will house the hair dryers for their hot air blower.
Okay, so there's our hair dryers going in.
That keeps the scent out of our system.
Put that in,
yes,
tighten
yeah,
it up, and then put that on the inside and just tape it, because the weight of the gravel, it's not going to
We'll
move
push it
is
in. Yeah.
You know what I mean?
True,
You can
true.
double it up if you want.
Yeah, something like that. Just make it work, should we?
Right.
Coleman's team is already testing.
Okay.
Right, let's do it.
They want to make sure their filter system will flow freely and clean the water properly. They also need to make sure that the sand will stay in the filter and not get into the pumps, which will clog and damage the whole system.
I mean, the sand is very fine, so we should start with 2 and then double it up afterwards.
Okay.
Give it the best shot.
All right, in goes the
All
fine
right,
sand on top
we
of
get
that.
the pump
into
and
the filter.
water.
Boom. In comes the water. Right.
Ready?
You,
Switch it on.
yeah.
You have it.
Pumps on.
You should be getting more.
Any water?
No, we'll come. We're just waiting for a bit of pressure.
There it comes. Whee. At this point, I'm kind of worried, actually.
Me too.
Yeah, the
Because
flow.
that is not a great amount of flow. In fact, that's pathetic. Hey.
Well, that was around about a minute of shower, was it?
Let's get back to the drawing board.
Oh, okay. We have to do something.
While Coleman's team try to figure out how to filter their water, Pagey's team keep building and sharing.
When you finish with that, if there's any tools that I'm allowed to use, it would be pretty cool.
Okay.
That's better.
Team spirit.
After half a day, the teams are beginning to gel, and Pagey's project is coming along nicely. They are looking to make a shower that can clean a person while using the least amount of water possible.
They let me have a go at everything, which is really cool to, you know, use all the different tools that I wasn't quite familiar with. Oh, look, I've got a seat. Yeah, it was a good learning experience. Aha! Success!
Oh, no. Sabrina's been awesome. She's keen to just get in, get stuck in and help. Point her in the right direction, she's away.
But misplaced tools mean things have slowed in Coleman's shed.
Couldn't find a square.
I know we've got a square up there. See, I left it up there. Paige has come in here and stolen my square. Light-fingered little Paige. Paige!
In there, we might get
I've got
something
a
done.
set square missing from my shed. Where is it?
Hey, how you going?
What have you done? We've done anything?
Yeah, well,
Coming along fine.
Great, good. Can I just grab that? Where have you put the T-square?
Don't take any of my tools.
I
They're
need some
all
vice
organised.
grips. I need a monkey wrench.
Dude, no.
Where's the set square? Where's the set square?
Sign those out at the door.
I feel good about ours now. That's excellent.
Bring that back.
Now he knows all our secrets.
Ah, yes, please. Very nice.
Ignoring the interruption, Pagey continues working on adjustments to his shower.
Flip it.
Okay.
These fell inside.
Nice.
That's wickedly straight.
I think I swallowed some.
Time for Coleman to test another filter system and see if they can sort out one of the most important parts of their design.
It's better, but it's still not the flow we want, is it?
Nah.
Hang on, plan B. What
you
about we get this and put it straight on there? Wire it
Where's
on
that?
there.
That's coming out of the bottom of the shower?
Yeah.
Yes.
Put that on there, fill it with sand, and then
You
let
guys-
it go through here, pour out of there, we hope, into there. You know what I mean? Like,
Oh, so what you've got, essentially, is you've got...
Two separate
You've got
filters.
sand or whatever crap coming through out of the nozzle into the shower.
Yes.
Down the plug hole.
Yep.
Filters here
yes.
Yes.
before it goes back into
So it's
the
got more
coarse filter.
Yeah.
More surface area.
That's a bloody good idea, Alan.
It's the last one.
That's a bloody good idea. Let's get cutting.
All right.
We'll have to,
Let's get cracking
I'd
here.
have to take the top off that.
Meanwhile, Pagey's team have been working quickly and have managed to finish their hot air blower.
I got a good feeling about this.
Well, this box that we've just kind of constructed should pump the heat into the shower, so whoever's going to be in the shower is not going to freeze to death.
These hair dryers will introduce hot air into the shower to mix with the fine water spray and create condensation.
Oh my gosh, it's working!
Oh, yeah, it's quite nice.
It's quite nice, isn't it?
All right, turn them
Oh,
off.
done.
Turn them down.
Okay, we
Done.
good?
Shut them down.
Yep.
Yeah, we have to make sure that they...
Get that out.
Oh, yeah, get that out.
Hey,
Good job.
AJ! Yeah.
looks like an outhouse.
What do you reckon? Can you work out what it is?
Your naughty chair.
It's a massive throne.
Are you using that?
You can have that, Pagey. How's your poor cheerleader getting on? I hope you're looking after
She's
her.
actually one of the finest machinists I've seen in a long time.
Really?
Yep.
Well, good luck.
Oh, mate, we don't need luck. We've got science and technology on our side. See ya.
Very good. Okay. See you, Pagey.
With their shower nearing completion, Pagey's team is now dealing with the tough part of the challenge. Who will take the shower?
You're smaller than me. I mean, it's scientifically it's smarter to put the smallest person in because there'd be less dirt to clean off.
Man, it's going to be a tall shower.
Having figured out the filter troubles, Coleman and Alan have worked quickly on making the frame that will hold their shower off the ground. They are keen to see if it will hold the weight of a person and if the water catcher will work with the filter.
Should we test it out? All right, I'll get up here in the shower.
We need something like that.
Can you work the pump,
Yep.
Rob?
Go ahead, Rob. Ignition. That sock's working great. That's really good.
Very good.
Awesome.
You want to have a good shower, will you, James? I mean, you're the person who will be standing in it.
I tell you what, Rob, if the amount of water that's coming out the bottom of that bucket
Yes?
is the amount of water that's coming out of all the nozzles
Yes?
and it's warm, I will take a shower.
Right.
No worries. You
All
want
right.
to have a comfortable shower.
Just gonna unkeep the hose. What are you doing?
No, it's fixed, honest.
Oh,
Behave, we've got visitors.
how much?
Wow, man! You look like a tiny midget on a giant toilet.
Right. It's not that funny. Here.
Tiny Coleman!
Come closer.
Tiny Coleman!
Come closer.
There ya.
Get it back inside.
Ooh. Wow, that's great. It works beautifully.
Yeah.
Yep. Very happy. Cool.
Look what I mean.
Pagey is building the base for his shower.
We'll put the waste at the front so we can show off to James how little wastewater we actually have. So,
I think we put a dummy pipe there and we just waste it out the back.
exactly.
What we want to do is cover every angle of the body, and we need something that comes
There.
out.
Oh, well done.
Having sorted out the filter system, Coleman's team work on the various jets. These will shoot the water at the person showering.
We wouldn't want the full pressure out of that one, would we? We might want to make that one a bit...
Well, the smaller we go, the more pressure we get. The amount of pressure coming out of that jet may hurt in places where you're not wants to be hurt.
Right. Let's get this thing up on the frame.
The top of Pagey's shower is ready to test. The atomizers turn the water into a fine spray, meaning the volume of water is considerably less. They're hoping this spray will mix with the hot air created by their hair dryers and create a steam cloud.
All right, I'm ready. Yeah. I'll start out here in case it's really harsh. Oh, look at that! Yeah, it's great.
Yeah.
It feels really nice, actually. It's really soft. Yeah, it's really.
Oh, so it could be quite nice to stand under and make the whole kind of shower experience a lot better than we thought it would be.
You have to hold your breath for the entire length of your shower.
Oh, shut it down.
Yeah.
We're good. We are really good.
Don't let them see too much.
Pagey's spray worked well, but a lot of water has been used. Coleman has a lot more building to do than Pagey, but his time has been spent on recycling water. Pagey has the evening to figure out how to use less water, while Coleman just needs to finish his build.
Check it out.
Ooh.
Soap and a rope.
Spit.
Alan?
No.
That's good.